Namaskar, खुश रहो बेटियाँ. My name is Dr. Asma Khan, Department of Fashion and Interior, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Session name: Chemical Composition of Natural Fibers. Whenever we obtain the fiber, we must be know about the chemical and the molecular structure of the fiber. Chemical structure is very important for the fiber quality and the fiber structure. Every fiber consists of some chemical elements such as cotton contains cellulosic protein, pectin, wool contains keratin, dirt, sand, many more. Chemical composition of natural fibers are chemical composition of cotton fiber: cellulose 94%, protein 1.3%, ash 1.2%, pectin 1.2%, oil fat wax 0.6%, sugar 0.3%, pigment trans other 1.5%. Chemical composition of jute fiber: cellulose 65.2%, hemicellulose 22.2%, lignin 10.8%, water soluble 1.5%, fat and wax 0.3%. Chemical composition of linen flax fiber: cellulose 92%, hemicellulose 2%, lignin 4%, other 2%. In chemical composition of cotton fiber, cellulose is 94%. In chemical composition of jute fiber, cellulose is 65%. In chemical composition of linen, cellulose is 92%, hemicellulose is 2%, lignin is 4%, and other are 2%. The majority of fiber contained in the composition is cellulose. That's why they all fiber are called cellulosic fiber. Next one is hemp fiber. Cellulose is 77% again, hemicellulose 10%, lignin 6.8%, pectin 2.9%, fat and wax 0.90%, water soluble 1.73%. Chemical composition of sisal fiber: cellulose 71.5, hemicellulose 18%, lignin 6%, pectin 2.3%, fat and wax 0.5%, water soluble 1.5%. Again in the sisal fiber and the hemp fiber, cellulose content is high, so they all are the cellulosic fiber. Coir fiber: husk is 14%, fiber is 22%, pith is 16%, kernel is 30%, water is 18%. Chemical composition of wool fiber: in wool fiber, keratin is high, protein. That's why chemical composition of wool fiber, in the chemical composition of wool fiber, protein is high. That's why wool is called protein fiber. Keratin 33%, dirt 26%, sonnet 28%, fat 12%, mineral matter 1%. In chemical composition of keratin fiber, carbon 50%, hydrogen 12%, oxygen 10%, nitrogen 25%, sulfur 3%. Chemical composition of silk fiber: fibroin 76%, sarrasin 22%, fat and wax 1.5%, and mineral salt is 0.5%. That's why, because of the presence of fibroin, the silk fiber is bright fiber, lustrous fiber, and the strongest long filament fiber naturally. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you understand this session. Thank you so much.